Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four stars Sudoku. In addition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, yes, it's still Tuesday, December the 12th, 2023. We have less than 3 weeks to go. Then it will be 2024. Yes, 3 weeks. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three stars Sudoku. It's time for the 4 stars. We have three puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, yes, the 4 stars Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me zoom this. Number 7608. Yeah, 7608. Let me see. And before I start, I always count or print the digits 24. Usually, the 4 stars has 24 printed digits, and I need for 4 stars puzzle, I believe 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here only one. We have here 3 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s. All right, 4 4s. 3 5s, 1 6, 2 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 4s are a major. Can I start with 4? No. What's happening? No. 4 4 here. No, not true. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, or there. We see another 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those boxes in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4. It should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4. It should be there. 4, 4. And we need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes, yeah. Okay. Let me see. How about 2 need a 5. Yeah, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright, now. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the first row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot there. Then 1, 5, 6, 6, 6. Well. We have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. Well, need a 3 here. I'm thinking. 645. Need a 5 here. Well. Need a 40. I need a 3 there. Need 2 here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 place level 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2. In this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. We have 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 place level 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in the third column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place level 2 should be there then. Alright. Okay. Now. 6, 8, 9. Okay. Let me think. Need a 3 here. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the only place level 6 in this column should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, and look, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the third row, no 6 there. So the only place level 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. 1 and the 5. Alright. 6, 6. And I need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. Okay, need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 place level 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. So the only place level for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 2 missing numbers now in this row, middle row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2, 3, 4, 9, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is we have here the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. No. We have 6 here. Again, 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 7 in this column. No 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there, so 1 is left. Should be the 9. Alright. Let me see. 3, 5, and 8. Here should be also 1 and a 6. How about these two missing numbers in this column? For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3. A ghost there. Alright. So, need a 1 here. Yeah. Here we have two missing numbers, the 1 and a 6. Told you earlier. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. I need a 6 here. And I need a 2. Yeah, we have a pair, we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 2 and 6. Yeah, 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the last row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 in the last row. No 8 there. So the only place left for 8 should be here. So the 3 and the 9 are left. 3 and the 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then 4, 3, 4. I need a 6 here. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. Well. 5 and 8. Come on. 6 in this column. 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 in the third row. No 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For the numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this big square. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. We have 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this third column for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be in, 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between and the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the row between the only place left for the 7 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. This one has need 15 minutes. This one 14 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Yeah, let me give this a 1 star. Should be an easy one. 40 minutes. And I'm pleased with the time. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.